Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Arabic course for beginners. Viewers, today's our topic is preposition. Preposition mean al-huruf al-jara. Al-huruf al-jara. In Urdu you say hurufe jara. In Urdu hurufe jara. So let's begin. The first word is from. From in Urdu you say and in Arabic you say min. For example, I am from Lahore. I am from Lahore. In Arabic you say ana min Lahore. Ana, I am, min, from Lahore. Ana min Lahore. Viewers, we should know that there are 17 prepositions in Arabic language, but only the most common ones are discussed here. Prepositions are used only with nouns and give zero on the last letter of noun, like alal kitabi. Alal kitabi. So the second one is to. In Arabic you say ila, and in Urdu you say ki taraf. For example, you say in English, I go to school. I go to school. And in Arabic you say adhabu ilal madrasati. Adhabu ilal madrasati. Adhabu, I go, ila, to, al madrasati is the meaning of school. Al madrasa. In Arabic you say school, al madrasa. In Arabic you say school, al madrasa. So the third one is on. On. And in Arabic you say ala, and in Urdu you say par. For example, the mobile is on the table. You say the mobile is on the table. And in Arabic you say al-jawalu ala al-maktabi. Al-jawalu ala al-maktabi. Al-jawal mean mobile. Ala is the preposition of Arabic, and al-maktabi, table. In Arabic you say table, al-maktab, and al-jawal is mobile in Arabic. The fourth one is in and at. In and at. In Arabic you say fi, fa ya fi, and in Urdu you say me. And their example is I am at home. You say I am at home. In Arabic you say ana fil bayti. Ana fil bayti. Ana, I am. Fi is the preposition, and al bayt is the translation of home. So you say ana fil bayti. The fifth one is about. And in Arabic you say an. Ain nun an. And in Urdu you say bare mein. Urdu mein bare mein. And their example is this book is about the English language. This book is about the English language. And in Arabic you say هذا الكتاب عن اللغة الإنجليزية. عن اللغة الإنجليزية. هذا الكتاب, this book. An is the preposition, and lugha is the translation of language, and Injilezia in Arabic you say English is Injilezia. You say in English is Injilezia. The sixth one is for, and in Urdu you say ke liye, and in Arabic there is one letter used, lam, with zair and with zabar. And lam is zair is used with noun, like you say li shahidin, li khalidin. And if for zabar, lam for zabar is used with pronoun, like laka for laka, or lahu, hakada. For example, this book is for Shahid. This book is for Shahid. So you say هذا الكتاب lishahidin. هذا الكتاب lishahidin. Shahid is the noun, and for pronoun, this book is for him. This book is for him. So in Arabic you say هذا الكتاب له. Who is the pronoun, and zamir for man. هذا الكتاب له. The seventh month is by and with. In Arabic, in Urdu you say saat, and in Arabic is used only one letter ba with zair. Ba with zair. For example, you say I write with a pen. I write with a pen. And in Arabic you say ana aktubu bil qalami. Ana aktubu bil qalami. Ba zair is used with objects. By and with is used with object, only with object.